So recently I ate some sardines and I was sitting down there and I was looking at the label and I happened to notice that they put soy oil. They were using soy oil and I assumed it was olive oil. Obviously, when I bought it, I didn't check the label. And so it just prompted this video because you never want to buy sardines in soy oil. You want to get it either in water or in olive oil. So the question is, why would you want to do that? Because you have these incredible omega-3 fatty acids, right? And now you're going to nullify them by adding the omega-6 fatty acids in there. So the benefits of omega-3 are huge. I mean, you have anti-inflammatory, it supports the brain, it's great for the heart. And omega-6 fatty acids are the complete opposite, especially when you get into soy oil. Now, soy oil is America's #1 oil. In other words, it's the most popular oil used in our food supply. And it's second in the entire world. So we're consuming a tremendous amount of soy oil. It's in fast food, it's in most of the restaurants out there if you're getting anything fried. It's in animal feeds. Some interesting studies, I'll put some links down below. One is by the Journal of Endocrinology. The other is by UC Riverside research team in 2015. And this is what they showed. They showed that soy oil induced obesity and diabetes more than fructose. It also induced insulin resistance and a fatty liver. Now, to be totally transparent, this was done in rats, okay, not humans. So if you have a pet rat that's getting a little bit too fat, becoming obese, that's developing diabetes, developing insulin resistance, or a fatty liver, make sure you do not feed them soy oil. Now, the study further went on to talk about the effects on the hypothalamus. It actually lowered oxytocin, which is a hormone both in men and women. And so they found it affected over 100 genes in your brain. Now, soy oil, because it's been processed so badly, is a very powerful oxidizer. It's very estrogenic. It creates a lot of inflammation, especially in your arteries. And on top of everything else, it's GMO, which means it has traces of glyphosate, which is an herbicide. And I've done a lot of videos on that topic. So the summary of this video is that if you buy sardines, read the label and make sure it's either in water or olive oil. So if you want more knowledge on how to create a healthy body, subscribe now and get daily notifications. Daily notifications, that sounds weird. Well, I'll just remind you on a daily basis. How about that?